Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Netgear Router X4S. This is the model D7800. D is because it has a built-in modem, I think, from all the info I gathered. R is the one without a modem, so this has the VDSL ADSL modem inside and the router. It's an AC2600 Wi-Fi router. Now, the box is pretty professional as it looks. It seems pretty cool. We have the specs on the back. On the side we have the security, technical specifications. On the other side we have the contents. So supposedly we have the router. Okay, that would be cool. The Ethernet cable, phone cable, DSL filter, quick start guide, and power adapter. It's almost 1 kilogram. Okay, let's open it up. The trusty little knife. Let's see. Where should we start? We should start here on the side. So first impressions, a very nice looking box. You can feel it's another box inside, so this is just a cover. Nice finish. You feel like you've paid a lot for it. I didn't actually pay a huge sum for it. It's about 150 euros. Bought it off of Amazon. Ta-da-da-da. Okay. The ASUS modems are a bit nicer packaged. Let's see where that's here. Okay. And we have the quick start guide. So a bit of leaflets. Not important. The CD. Nighthawk X4S D7800. Resource CD version 1.0. Now, in case anyone is asking, this is the 100 PAS model. I have no idea what kind of socket this is. It's something for the telephone. XDSL. It's the first time I'm seeing this. I'm in Italy. In Italy we have these. So VDSL and phone and the line here. We'll put these aside. We have the actual modem or router. I also had previously the 5600 from ASUS, and it's about double in size of this one. We have a LAN cable. Let's see what type of cable it is. It's a Cat 5e. Fetch cable. A normal telephone cable. The adapter, which has a bit of cardboard powder all over it. And the 4 antennas. 2 are packaged in one packet and 2 are separate. I don't know why, we'll see. Okay, let's put this to the side. And open the router itself. First impressions are pretty nice, well built. Your preset wireless settings. Okay, these will be changed anyway. So we have 4 LAN cards, 4 LAN slots, the 1 or the 5th LAN slot, VDSL, the internet, in case you connected. Here you can connect the one, on-off LEDs, reset button, and the antennas. So these are antenna 1, the power and on-off switch. This is the antenna 2, and the 2 USB slots on this side. Nothing here. And the antenna 3 and the eSATA port here. Now let's peel this off. Perfect. Nice finish. Looks a bit like a metal finish, but it's all plasticky. Now let's connect the antennas. So this is the antenna 3, that's why it was packaged separately. Antenna 3 goes here. Oh, it has little nice tabs to protect the port itself that don't want to come out. Come out? Okay. So antenna 3. Okay. This is the antenna 2, here on this side. Okay, so it doesn't unscrew, which is good. Now for the other 2 antennas that are antenna 1. Same little plastic tabs here to keep the socket safe, which is actually a nice touch. Now, as I was saying, I had the 5600 from the ASUS before, AC5600, so the big spider looking router. Didn't have a modem inside. Unfortunately, it kind of dropped connections a lot. So it disconnected from the wireless, it disconnected from the LAN, it started resetting itself, so I sent it back. I don't expect a $500 router to do that, so I didn't buy another one. I didn't agree to get another one. Okay, so you could keep them like this and be like a little flash. Okay, this is the router. Let's connect it. I don't have the cables with me, but I'll connect it and see how the LEDs look. Now let's see how it looks. First impressions, da-da-da! Blinky lights. So this is the on-off. I'm not sure if it always will remain like this. Let's see. I'm thinking it's doing some tests since the light was flashing. Let's see if I press this, if I slide this one, that's LED on-off. If it closes this one too. Absolutely nothing. Let's reset it. So now since I reset it, these lights are still off, but this one is on. So I'm guessing, I'll have to check to see if when everything is connected, but I'm guessing that with this off, only all of this is off and this one remains on. Okay, this is about it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos or specifications for this router, leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit like if you like it, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos of this router or similar, and wish you an awesome day. Bye bye.